Have you ever pondered the profound impact music has on shaping our cultural identities? It's fascinating, really. Music, in its many forms, is more than just a collection of rhythmic beats and harmonious melodies. It's a reflection of our history, our values, our experiences, and our collective identity. To understand this, consider the powerful role music plays within a community. Each song, each melody tells a story. They narrate tales of love, of struggle, of victories and defeats. They capture the essence of a community's shared experiences, preserving them in a form that transcends time. Take, for example, the soulful blues that emerged from the African American communities in the early 20th century. Born out of the hardship and struggle of a marginalized community, the blues became a powerful expression of their shared experiences. Each soulful note, each poignant lyric, spoke volumes about their collective history, their resilience, their hopes, and their dreams. Or consider the vibrant flamenco music of Spain. Steeped in centuries of tradition, flamenco is a captivating blend of song, dance, and instrumental performance. It captures the spirit of the Andalusian people, their passion, their zest for life, and their deep-rooted cultural identity. Music's power to shape cultural identities extends beyond the borders of a single community. It acts as a bridge connecting people from diverse backgrounds. It fosters understanding, empathy, and solidarity, breaking down barriers and promoting a sense of shared human experience. The universal language of music allows us to celebrate our unique cultural heritage and preserve our traditions. It enables us to transmit our values and beliefs to future generations, ensuring the continuity of our cultural identity. In essence, music is a reflection of who we are as individuals and as a community. It captures our collective consciousness, our shared experiences, and our unique cultural identity. It is a testament to our history, our traditions, and our values. To summarize, music plays a significant role in shaping cultural identities by serving as a medium for expressing values, beliefs, and emotions. It reflects the history, traditions, and experiences of a community, providing a shared language and connection among its members. Music celebrates our cultural heritage and preserves our traditions for future generations. It serves as a unifying force, promoting understanding, empathy, and solidarity. So the next time you listen to a song, remember you're not just hearing a melody. You're experiencing a piece of history, a piece of culture, a piece of someone's identity, and that in itself is a beautiful thing.